Oh, he was like, what are you talking about? I was like, God, he was like a real shitty dude. He was just like, he wasn't talking to anybody, dude. He was literally just like sitting in the corner, like alone. He was in like one of those like nacho angry drunk states.
I think every time I see him say that now.
What?
Him? Yeah.
I haven't seen him. Yeah, he probably just drinks all the time, but he's like reaching that state. You guys want to stop playing this? Play something else? Yeah. Oh, yeah. We can play a lot of games. We can play, what's it called? Is he gonna sneeze?